Hello, my dear art friends. Welcome to Oodle Doodle. This is a cute and easy drawing that you could all try out yourself. I used default brushes for this drawing, and there could be many ways to draw it, but this is one easy way, and I will walk you through it. On a new layer, pick a lovely color you like. I used teal greens. I first drop the color and then pick few colors, dark and light, to shade on top. Then I use the magical Gaussian blur to blur out the background, and you can adjust it as you like. Now I draw mountains, one on each layer. I drew about 8 layers in this picture, and you can draw as many as you like. Start adjusting the opacity for each of the mountain layers to get a 3D look. You can select all layers at once, or few of them, or even one by one to adjust the height to your liking. That is such a cool thing to do, right? Now, on a new layer, draw a circle. And drop in white. Duplicate the layer and adjust the second layer of the moon to make it slightly bigger, and then use the magical Gaussian blur to make it look like an aura around the moon. Once done, switch to the first moon layer and draw texture. Because I only need to add texture to the moon, I use the alpha lock to the moon layer. That way, my shading does not go beyond the moon. Now, under the luminance brushes, I pick flare and adjust the size and opacity of the brush to draw the twinkle stars, some of which are in the background, so I draw them small. I also use a light blue for few of them. And now for the foreground. You can draw a wolf or Google and upload any wolf silhouette that you like. Here I drew one and saved it to my images, and I'm now going to upload it from my images. Reduce the opacity and align the image to where you want it to be, and on a new layer, trace the wolf. Once done, drop the dark color in. Adjust the layers so the wolf is in front of the moon. You could always go back and forth, adjusting the moon or the wolf or even the background to your liking. These are all on different layers, and that makes it easy to adjust them to your liking. Now, once you make all the adjustments needed, throw in some highlights and make it your style. Hope you enjoyed the drawing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share and like. And surely let us know if you have tried it. See you soon. Bye-bye.